So it used to be that the state of Idaho had a subscription to the Tumblebooks library online, and that subscription unfortunately expired on June 30th of 2019. However, you can still get access to Tumblebooks Books of the Day. Okay, so there is a website here that I can go to for that. The other thing I could do is go to my public library. So I'm going to put in Mullen Public Library, because it's not far from where I am. So if I click on that, you can see down here that they have a link to Tumblebooks Book of the Day. And what it does is it gives you access to the books of the day for every day. Okay, so if I want to look at the book of the day, Summer of the Town Bit Back, I can click on it. It's going to pop up on my screen, and then it's going to start playing that book for me. It does have audio to go along with it. And it will, I don't have my audio turned on the computer right now, but it will actually read the book to you, and you can follow along with the sentences because they're highlighted. So it's a great resource for students. You still have access to Book of the Day. Unfortunately, Idaho no longer has access to all of the Tumblebooks library. Thanks.